Do you like the synchronized swimming?
Oh, I love that. Oh, I can do that and twist and turn and go down.
It's all about synchronized.
I do all that.
Yeah.
No, that's too fast.
No,
Oh, solo mio.
You'll drown.
Say 3, 2, 1.
Wait till it counts, Terry.
Terry, you look like a Nazi like this with your leg up like that. Don't do that.
Jump and go
You
straight
jump
down
in
like
and
a
go
pencil.
straight down.
Jumping in.
Yeah.
Okay. Turn around. You got to turn around at the edge, Terry. You're too far back.
I'm sorry.
Now we got to do that again. Get over there.
Okay.
Oh, jerk. Now she's losing her teeth. Hey, this water's filthy. You're not supposed to kick your legs. We can't turn you. We're getting too floaty. Ah!
One hand.
Okay, I'm getting dizzy now. I couldn't get under. I need something to hold on.
Oh, we got to do it again because of you.
I lost.
All right, stop!
Oh, that's what old ladies do.
Well, that's what you are. I know something. I gotta tell you, girls, you take direction real shitty. Was that good?